Have you ever found yourself wondering how it seems like everyone in cities such as Los Angeles or Miami is driving around in a luxury car? From Lamborghinis to Teslas, these high-end vehicles are everywhere, gliding through palm-lined boulevards and sparkling city streets. At first glance, it might look like these drivers are all millionaires, living lives of pure extravagance. But the reality is far more interesting and accessible than you might think. The secret isn't about having a massive bank account. It's about using smart financial strategies. Instead of saving up for years to buy a luxury car outright, many people choose to lease. Leasing transforms what could be a huge, one-time purchase into a manageable monthly expense, almost like paying for your phone or streaming services. This approach makes luxury cars surprisingly attainable for a much wider group of people. Leasing opens the door to driving the latest models without the burden of a hefty price tag or long-term commitment. Instead of worrying about the total cost, drivers focus on what fits their monthly budget. Plus, they get to enjoy new features, updated technology, and that fresh car feeling every few years, all while keeping their finances flexible. Ultimately, it's about leveraging financial tools to enjoy a taste of luxury, without tying up large amounts of cash and assets that lose value over time. By making smart choices, people can experience the thrill of high-end living, proving there's much more to these cars and their drivers than meets the eye. Buying a car means full ownership, but it comes with hidden costs. When you purchase a vehicle, you are responsible for all the expenses that come with it. This includes not just the initial purchase price, but also taxes, registration fees, and dealer charges. The upfront costs can add up quickly, making the initial investment quite substantial. Depreciation is the biggest hit. A new luxury car can lose up to 50% of its value in 3 years. This means that the moment you drive off the lot, your car starts losing its value rapidly. Over time, this depreciation can significantly impact the resale value of your vehicle, making it a less attractive investment. Insurance and maintenance are also costly, especially after warranties expire. Luxury cars often require specialized parts and services, which can be more expensive than those for standard vehicles. Additionally, insurance premiums for luxury cars are typically higher due to their higher value and repair costs. While ownership offers freedom, it often leads to a cycle of financial loss. The ongoing expenses of owning a luxury car can quickly add up, making it a continuous financial burden. This can include unexpected repairs, higher fuel costs, and the need for premium services. For those who want new cars frequently, buying is financially inefficient. Constantly purchasing new vehicles means you are continually facing depreciation and other costs. Leasing or other alternatives might be more cost-effective for those who prefer to drive the latest models without the long-term financial commitment. Leasing a car is essentially like entering into a long-term rental agreement, where you're only responsible for paying the vehicle's depreciation during your lease term, rather than the full purchase price. This means your monthly payments are often significantly lower compared to buying, which can make even high-end luxury cars much more attainable for many people. Leasing also comes with the added benefit of reduced risk when it comes to repairs, since most major issues are covered under the manufacturer's warranty for the duration of your lease. Plus, leasing gives you the flexibility to drive the latest models every few years, so you can always enjoy the newest technology, safety features, and styles, without worrying about the hassle of selling or trading in your old car. While you won't own the vehicle at the end, leasing delivers a premium driving experience and unmatched convenience that appeals to many drivers. For business owners, leasing is a strategic decision with tax benefits. Part of the lease payment can be written off as a business expense, reducing costs. A luxury car enhances professional image, projecting success and reliability. Leasing ensures a consistently new vehicle, maintaining a fresh professional image. It offers predictability in costs, integrating seamlessly into business budgets. Wisely to enjoy luxury without the high cost.